All right, I'm gonna do a crimping activity. This is the outcome of it. Basically, it comes with these little sleeves, and these little sleeves you cut out and you put around a jar. Kind of hard to hold it. I'm gonna do my best. Shows it to do it just like this. I have an extra one in case this slips. You put it in water, 10 to 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good night. That's okay. I had to get the top of it. 20. And there we have it. How did it look? How did it turn out? Looks like it did pretty good. All right, there we are. For the holiday season, you can put whatever you want in it. That's it.